Hello, for Uber Black?
Hi, for Allie?
Yes.
Okay.
How is your day going?
It's going good. How is yours?
I'm great. You know, the sun's out and...
Sun's out, buns out. Am I right?
Sun's out, guns out. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Actually, your door's still, just gotta shut it kind of hard.
I always do that.
Yeah, it's okay. Oh, it's a little hard though.
Got it.
Yeah. So where are you off to today?
I'm going to LAX. Thank you for picking me up.
Yeah, it's kind of a far ride.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you okay there?
I think I got it.
Yeah.
Yep, safety first.
Yeah.
So, any big plans for today?
Just driving Uber. I got my utility bills due at midnight, so.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Yeah, I'm just trying to clock in a few hours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you mind if I hook up my phone to your Bluetooth?
Sure, why not? I mean, it's kind of a far ride, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotta play some slaps.
Yeah, it's called KM18. I know it's kind of a weird name, but.
Okay, got
Yeah.
it. You named that yourself?
No, it just kind of came with the Wi-Fi thing, or the Bluetooth. Yeah.
Okay, so I just want to let you know, I'm getting this error message in my Uber app. It's saying that my card isn't valid. I did just have fraudulent charges recently, so I don't know if that's
no, you don't need to worry about that because it's in the Uber app, so it's all covered.
Well, I'm getting this message, like I don't really know what that means.
Oh, what the heck?
Yeah, it's kind of far. I don't really want to just like make you take me there for free.
Yeah, I mean sometimes it like the check like bounces, so I don't get paid. Yeah.
Yeah, I know you have the maintenance bills due tonight.
Yeah. So I don't know. I mean, do you want to like call your bank or what?
I don't know. Maybe there's like another way I could pay you.
Well, I don't do cash. Like it's gotta go through the app. Like
Maybe some form of entertainment.
Wait, what?
I don't know. Maybe I could show you my moves or something.
You want to pay for the ride with your moves?
Yeah.
What are you, like a TikToker or something?
Something like that.
What do you mean something like that? Like
I mean,
okay, you know,
could.
Fine, whatever. What are you
down?
You have any talents or what?
I'm pretty talented. You could say that.
Okay. Well, what are you offering?
Let me play some music. Let me see if I could do a little performance.
Oh, like the Renegade, like the
ride.
like the TikTok, like the Renegade.
Something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, what song is this? What the heck is this?
Hey. Oh, this song hits.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Wait, focus on the road, Dylan. Focus on the road. Okay, your ride is completely paid for.
Wow. Okay.
I'll literally drive you every single day for a whole year.